This is the third Richpeace folded mask production line working in one same Indian customer's plants since year 2020. January 12, 2022, starting the negotiation of this case. January 13, making the payment by customer. January 16, loading cargo for airlift. January 20, leaving from Beijing Airport, flight. January 21, reach Indian Delhi Airport. January 25, reach customer's plants. January 29, completing installation and conditioning, starting the production of N95 epidemic masks to help alleviate the epidemic and also help customer making profits. Richpeace mask production lines have supplied to customers all around the world more than 1,000 sets and received high praise from many customers. This Indian customers' praise is just a tip of the iceberg. Richpeace mask production lines are widely used by mask manufacturers and OEM manufacturers like top high-end brands 3M, Hollywood, Delta Plus, Kimberly-Clark, etc.